free. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you will get update with our latest video. Waxing can leave your legs feeling as smooth as ever. However, it's also very painful, so it's very understandable so many have wanted to make their legs look great without having to resort to it. While one's definition of great legs is ultimately subjective and varies from person to person, there are some standard things you can do to have them looking their most vibrant and healthy. Get enough sleep. You can't expect your body to look anywhere near as good as you'd like if you're not investing enough hours a day towards giving it the proper rest it needs. While you've no doubt heard before you should be sleeping around 8 hours a night, you should try to get at least 6 if your daily schedule won't permit setting aside a third for slumber. Eat a proper diet. Again, you can't expect to look your best if you don't attend to the basics of proper health. If you adhere to a healthy, whole foods-based diet, your body will thank you by looking better than ever before. While a whole foods-based vegan diet is vastly preferable over anything else, you should customize your new diet to suit your life. Even cutting out basic things like soda pop and other empty calories will help reduce excess strain on your body. Practice yoga. Yoga is a wonderful way to reduce stress and increase health. More specifically, it has a great toning effect on your legs, as much of the exercise will seek to stretch and work your leg muscles. Do leg-focused stretches and exercises. Exercises like the leg lift and lunge are specifically designed to improve the look, function and feel of your legs. If you have already committed to an exercise regimen, try working more of these leg-focused exercises into your routine. If your legs have a pleasant burning sensation afterwards, you know you've done your part for the day towards getting the legs you want. Go running. Running is the most recommended exercise if you're looking to tone and improve your legs. While this cardio-heavy exercise is primarily meant to trim fat, the workout it will give your legs will manifest itself as lean muscle, whether by yourself or with a partner. Running is a perfect way to start your morning off right.